Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about, guys, Apple has released iOS 18 beta version. So in this video I am going to tell you how to download iOS beta update on your iPhone in easy way. So guys, keep watching this video until the end. Open Safari application on your iPhone and search here beta.apple.com. Here guys, beta.apple.com, simply search and wait for some second. So guys, you will see this screen, iOS 18 coming soon. So you can read it, simply scroll down, and if you have already beta account, simply tap on sign in. If you have not, simply tap on sign up. I have already, I am tapping sign in. So guys, make sure you have to enter the same Apple ID here which is already logged in your iPhone. So guys, my Apple ID is already logged in my this iPhone, so I verify it by entering the iPhone passcode. Continue with passcode, enter iPhone passcode here and wait for some second. So guys, you will see this screen, guide for beta software. You can read it if you want. So simply scroll down. Here's the interface. So you can see enroll your iOS device in get started option. Simply tap on it, and after that, so guys, it is written here that you should take a backup of your iPhone before downloading the iOS beta 18 update. Then you can also read it. Now guys, you can also close this window and open setting application. Now scroll down and tap on general. Here's tap on software update, and here guys, simply tap on beta updates. So guys, and tap on iOS 18 developer beta, and now go back and wait for some second. You can see successfully available iOS 18 beta update. By this process you can also download. Now guys, you have two options: download iOS 18 beta on your iPhone, update now and update tonight. So as so you guys, you can download iOS 18 beta update by this method. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.